This tutorial is to get you into and understand how to use your Amani student email accounts. So starting from the home page of Amani, you're going to scroll down and you're going to access student email. Students can access their email account here, so go ahead and click here. And then from the webmail page, you're going to put in your username and then your password. And occasionally you'll just have to put it in twice. I do not know a workaround for that. But then you're going to go ahead and get logged in, and then you can access your inbox, should be the first thing that pops up. And then you can see any drafts or sent mail that you've sent. And to compose a new message, you're going to click New Message. And then just like you would with any other email, you're going to go ahead and say who it's to. If you want to CC someone or BCC someone, you can click those two tabs. And then always remember to put your subject in. As a teacher, I find it really handy if you make sure to put your name in there so that I know who I'm addressing. And then again, if you could put your name in the body of the email. And then if you need to add any attachments, you'll just click Add Attachments, and then you'll pick the file type that you might be uploading. So whether it's your homework or a quiz or something like that, that's the way that you would go about doing that. And then if you want to save it for later, you could save your draft, and then it has a spell check feature as well. For deleting any emails that you might want to delete, you'll just go ahead and click the little arrow box. You'll click delete, and that'll kind of cross it out, but to get rid of it altogether, you're going to hit other, and then you're going to click purge deleted, and then that will just get rid of it from your system. You can also mark anything with a flag or blacklist anything, so basically that would be a way to like report spam so that you don't get emails from anyone like that. But that's the general walkthrough of how to use your email, and if you need to sign out, you'll just click the little door with the arrow.